First at 11, drivers face slick roads as the first significant snowfall blankets the Miami Valley. Good evening, I'm Holly Samuels. We're hearing multiple reports of accidents as ice forms on bridges and overpasses tonight, and that includes a chain reaction crash in West Carrollton.
Coming over the bridge, one lady hit another lady, and then I tried to stop and run right into him.
That driver was just one of a dozen involved in a pileup at the ramp to northbound 75 from Central Avenue in West Carrollton. State troopers remind all drivers to take it slow on the roadways this weekend.
The moral of the story is, again, slow down, watch for icy bridges. The roadways are going to change quickly, especially as nighttime comes here. Temperatures are dropping, so you might be on a nice roadway with just wet to come up onto a bridge. It's going to be completely ice covered.
Unfortunately, no injuries were reported there, but that bridge was shut down for about an hour while crews laid down salt. It's since reopened.